So Sunday is for self-care, and usually my Sundays consist of just taking care of me and relaxing along with hydrating my hair, doing like a hydrating mask, or doing my micro needling facial. Just things that, you know, are self-care to me. Also my nails. And I also do my own hair removal using an IPL system, which is a laser at-home hair removal device that you see here. So come with me while I show you how I do my own hair removal with this laser device. It's super easy and you can do it at home, so no more shaving. Okay, so let's get to it, and I'm going to show you what comes in the box with the IPL hair removal. And this is from a company called Lysmoski, and I'll go ahead and link in the description box where you can get this device, and I'll also include a promo code, so check down the link below so you can get your own system. So let's do this unboxing, and I'm going to show you how to use it. All right, so I'm going to open the box so you guys can see how it comes inside. And so I'm going to show you, it comes with a manual and a quick guide. So the manual, the quick guide, it comes with the actual device, and it's pretty big. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller, which it's a good size. And it has the vents on the back. You guys can see that. And then it comes with glasses to protect your eyes, and then a razor and the plug-in device so we can go ahead and power it on. So it is not wireless, it does have a cord, and I'm going to show you. It comes with the glasses and a razor, which I'm freshly out of the shower, so I don't need to do that. I already did it. So it is advisable to go ahead and shave before using the device, okay? And then obviously the sunglasses or the protective eyewear for your device. So let's look at the quick guide, and basically you can use it on your face, your armpits, your arms, your legs, your back, your bikini line, and you'll see results in about 8 weeks. And so instructions is you need to first shave and clean the surface area, then connect the device to the power plug and cable, and then wear the goggles to protect eyes. And then also you want to work with your device at a 90-degree angle vertically against the skin. And so let's try this out. Any other important uses? Oh yes, so it is instructed to not like cover this bottom area so it doesn't overheat. The best placement is like this, and then so in the front you're gonna hold it like this. So do not cover this part like this. Okay, so let's start this. It's already started. I put it on level 1. It's recommended to use it in level 1 when we're starting. For the first month, we're going to do the treatment or the laser hair removal twice a week. And then the second month, I'm going to be doing it once a week. And then the following month, we'll just do it whenever we see that it is needed. Okay, so we're going to start doing my legs. So I'm going to show you my legs, and then I'm going to show you my underarms. Okay, so the first thing that I will do when I am using the device is I'm going to divide my leg in 4 parts. So I take a NYX white pencil, and I'll just go ahead and just line my leg so I know where I have to be at, that I've already done it, so I don't go over it. So I'll do this part, and then I'll do the back part for the video
I will just focus on this part, and then I'll move on to my underarms, okay? And then I'll finish the rest on my own. So let's turn on the machine. It's safe, it's gentle. This is permanent hair removal. The hair removal effect using the IPL damage the hair follicle to achieve permanent hair removal. Most efficient intense pulse light device for permanent hair reduction in just 8 weeks. And like I had mentioned, it's a full body use and auto manual mode. So the IPL hair remover features auto mode functions for like bikini lines, upper lip, chin, face, and also has the single flash for back, arms, and legs. Okay, so once it flashes, you want to go ahead and just release it and move to the other side. So we're going to go and start. We're going to go in the next section.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you my underarm. And so let's take this off. So I'm going to show you my underarm. Put the goggles on. And we're going to turn on the device again. So we're going to turn it on. And then we're going to level 1, because I'm starting in level 1, guys. And then I could start to increase it. And then I'm going to press the cooling. So you see the cooling. And then let's put the goggles back on. And we're going to go ahead and do my arm. Now let's do the other side. Now we're going to turn it off. And it'll turn off right now. Turn off. So it was super easy. For the underarms, I do recommend you use help because it's hard to see. You just feel the like the cooling, because it has the cooling effect on. So you do feel just that sensation. But like I said, it doesn't hurt at all. You just feel the coolness of it. It is safe, it's gentle, it is permanent, so it will remove permanently your hair. and you'll see the hair reduction in about 8 weeks. And then also remember that it is full body, so you can use the IPL hair remover for bikini lines, upper lips, chin, face, arms, back, legs. So yeah, it is really easy to use. So I'll make sure to link everything down in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and try maybe not my upper lip today because I already cleansed my face and I already have all my moisturizers, but you can definitely use it here, up here, and yeah, and other areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my legs and other areas like my bikini area, and yep, I'll show you guys, or I'll come back and I can share my results. But let me know in the comments down below if you want to try the IPL hair removal or if you've tried it in the past and what were your results. Let me know in the comments.